I'm going to swap out and replace this air vent HVAC piece located in the front dash bezel area on this Chrysler Dodge Jeep vehicle. These vents can be opened and closed and specifically allow you to adjust the level of air that comes out as well as the direction of airflow into the vehicle. Now, sometimes it's good to give these a good cleaning, or you may have some vent clips that are loose or broken, which can affect your comfort level. By the way, you can watch a cool teardown and see how to fix the air vent clips on this unit. I'll put that cool video in the description below with all the tools you'll need. I'll also put the part number of this air vent in the description below. When checking that out, please hit the like button and subscribe to see more exciting videos. Okay, let's remove this. Grab a flathead screwdriver or a trim stick and lightly pry around the entire bezel. Now you can see it better from the side. There are some wire connectors here that I'll remove that control the HVAC, temperature unit, and clock. Now, you won't have to remove this. I'm just going to remove this so I can show you a better visual of the air vent without the entire bezel connected. Here's a nice view of the air ducts where the air blows out from. You could also clean these with a pipe brush, vacuum, and spray cleaner. Now to finally remove the air vent from its housing. I'll spin this around and you'll see a few clips on the side, and there are two on the other side you can't see. So with my finger, I'm carefully lifting the tab and then gently pulling this out. Okay, so here is how it looks. Okay, so removing the other one is the same process. Very easy to do, and this could be removed quickly in like 5 minutes for whatever you choose to do with it, like fixing the clips or cleaning this unit. Again, you can watch the video of me fixing a broken air vent. I'll put that in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos, and mention your thoughts in the comments below. Reinstalling this is the complete reverse, and all you do is pop this back into place and then pop the bezel trim back in. That easy and fast. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.